Story 11. I spoke in the Cathedral Mosque of Damascus, a few words by way of a sermon, but to a congregation whose hearts were withered and dead, not having traveled from the road of the world of form, the physical, to the world of meaning, the moral world. I perceived that my words took no effect, and that burning fire does not kindle moist wood. I was sorry for instructing brutes and holding forth a mirror in a locality of blind people. I had, however, opened the door of meaning and was giving a long explanation of the verse. We are nearer unto him than the jugular vein, till I said, the friend is nearer to me than myself. But it is more strange that I am far from him. What am I to do? To whom can it be said that he is in my arms, but I am exiled from him? I had intoxicated myself with the wine of these sentiments, holding the remnant of the cup of the sermon in my hand, when a traveler happened to pass near the edge of the assembly, and the last turn of the circulating cup made such an impression upon him that he shouted, and the others joined him and began to roar, whilst the raw portion of the congregation became turbulent, whereon I said, praise be to Allah. Those who are far away but intelligent are in the presence of Allah, and those who are near but blind are distant. When the hearer understands not the meaning of words, do not look for the effect of the orator's force, but raise an extensive field of desire, that the eloquent man may strive the ball of effect. Now, the idea that God has the recording angels with you doesn't mean that God isn't even closer, right? Just because that's part of things. And we as in God speaking, God and whatever angel he decides to have with you. Like the idea that you could chase some angels away, well, you can't chase them all away. Or that some don't come unto certain things going on. It's still right. But regard what audience you're speaking to. Now, I know not all my videos are for all the people that are subscribed to the channel, or my other media meant for everybody. I figured there's something for pretty much anybody who looks for something. But yeah, it's important to try to, figure out your audience.